What's going on, everybody? I just got the Nike Burrow slippers in, and I wanted to just do a quick unboxing and the first impressions of them. So here it is. Got the all black ones. Pull out the other one. Second one. Looking pretty nice. Looking very comfy. So these I assume are for indoor use. I'm gonna use them for house slippers, but they also say on the website they're good for like camping, you know, trying to lounge around in them because they got this fleece lining. I don't think these are waterproof, so I would not wear these in the rain. Based off of the quality, they seem more like a house slipper than an outdoor slipper. So if you're looking for one of those outdoor slippers, I don't know how well these would hold up to too much outdoor walking. It might be nice for a quick walk to the garage, or maybe a quick walk in the backyard, but again, I don't know how rugged these are going to be. As you can see in the bottom, it's got that foam, okay, very flexible. And as you can see, it has some kind of felt texture on the bottom. Maybe it's for anti-slipping, I'm not sure. But as you can see, it's shiny and then it becomes a little rough here. Alright, this is all just that foam. Feels like a normal typical house slipper. They got a pocket on each top. Very small pocket. I don't know what you would put in there. Maybe your keys, some money, secret stash or something. Go ahead and zip it back on up. Nice, good, smooth zipper. Got a little bit of texture on the top here. Let me pull this out. Okay, nice and comfy. Quite thick, the foam. Okay, it's feeling thick as well. Got that embroidery on the top. Got the fleece lining here. All right, to the second one. Same thing. Looking good. I mean, like just like any other house slippers, I'm just very curious of how well the padding will hold or how long it will last. You know, like when you walk around a lot, that foam inside always seems to get squished and then starts getting very thin. So we'll see how well these hold up. Stitching is very good on this. Get a nice material. Feels very soft, comfortable. Yeah, but these are the Nike Burrow slippers. I'll give them a try. See how they feel, see how comfortable they are, and see how warm they will keep my feet. First impressions of putting them on. I will be wearing them in the house, so I am not going to be wearing socks with them. And they feel pretty snug. I think if you got the true size, same size as your shoe, and you put some socks on, it might be feeling a little bit tight, but you know, it's just foam that it may just start loosening up, you know. And so I have noticed that when I first wear them, I don't know if it's the flooring that I have and the slipper, but they do make a squeaky noise as you walk in them. But the comfort level, I give it about a 7. It seems very typical of a normal house slipper to me. It's not super like foamy or anything. And the comfort level is there. The warmth seems to be there. And it seems like a good slipper. We'll just see how well the padding holds up on these. And so far, so good. First impressions, pretty nice slipper. Pretty comfortable. Just what I was looking for as a Nike house slipper. And so until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next video.